Hello students of grade 6. Today we'll start chapter 6. The name of the chapter is Lines and Angles. Before we start the exercise, you have to know some terms of this chapter. So start with line. You know line is a breadth length. This is line and it is never ending. You have learned this in the lower classes also. If there is a single line, we call line. If there are two lines, we call it lines. Two or more lines is lines. Clear? Intersecting lines. When two lines cross at some point. Suppose this line is crossing at some point. That lines are called intersecting line. Crossing. Clear? Next, let's do parallel line. Parallel lines are those lines, if we make a line, this line will never meet. This and this line are at the same distance at any point. Suppose at this point this is 2 centimeter. At this point also it will be 2 centimeter. At any point, if you draw a perpendicular line, it will be 2 centimeter. This will never meet. Parallel line. This line, if we extend also, will never meet. So parallel lines. Clear? They are at the same distance. They never intersect. Angles. Angles means from one point, if we divert two lines, we get an angle. You have done this also. Now, and this is called an angles, and their angles, and between two fingers also you have an angle. You have an angle. You can see angle anywhere. At home also you can see angle. In the copy also you see it's an angle. If you see the angle, here also it's an angle. Let's learn the different type of angles. Acute angles, angles between 0 degree and 90 degree, between this, okay. Those angles which is between 0 and 90 are called acute angle. It can be example, it can be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, goes on 78, 79, goes on 88, 89 till 89 is an acute angle. They are less than 90. Clear? So this is an example of acute angle. Angle between 0 and 90 are acute angle. Right angle means if the angle is exactly 90 degree, it's not more than or less than exactly 90 degree. Those angles are called right angles. Obtuse angle is if an angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. For example, it can be 91 degree, 92 degree, 93 degree, goes on till 177 degree, 178 degree, 179 degree. Those angles are obtuse angle. Let's come to straight angle. Straight angle, the measurement is exactly 90 degree, 180 degree. In right angle, you'll see the angle is like that. In acute angle, angle can be less than 90. It may be like that, or a little bit more, bigger also, but it's less than 90. Exactly 90 is L shape, and in obtuse angle, it will be more than L. For example, if you draw a diagram, it can come like that, more than L. And in straight angle, you'll get exactly straight line. I can use pen also. See, acute angle, right angle exactly 90 degree, obtuse angle more than 90, and straight angle goes on, and straight angle is exactly 180, straight line. You'll get exactly 180 degree. Exactly 180 degree. Reflex angle means more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Clear? In questions, sometimes you may get find reflex. Suppose this angle is 30 degree. You're going to find reflex. Reflex means not this angle. The remaining angle is called a reflex. Okay. If you want to find the reflex of, suppose this is A, O, B. If you want to find angle reflex, angle A, O, B, what you have to do is, you have to find the remaining angle, not this angle. You have from 360 you have to minus 30 degree. That will be 330 degree. So reflex is always more than 180. And to find the reflex of any angle, suppose reflex of angle AOB will be remaining of 30 degree. And we have to find by subtracting that particular angle from 360 whenever you are finding reflex of angle. Whole angle means complete angle, whole angle or complete angle whose angle measures exactly 360 degree. Complete one round, that is whole angle. Clear? These are types of angles. Let's go to adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means, suppose two angle with the common arm. Suppose this is angle X and this is Y. So we can say X and Y are adjacent angle. Clear? Suppose I made more angle Z. X and Y are adjacent, Y and Z are adjacent. X and Z are not adjacent, okay? Adjacent angle, there must be one common point. We can say Y and Z are adjacent because they have one common line between the angle. X and Y are adjacent because they have one common line. Clear? Adjacent angle, it can be in a straight angle also, anywhere. X, Y, these are called adjacent angle. Got it? Next, come to complementary angles. Complementary angles, suppose pair of angle, if it sum up to 90 degree. For example, 30, 60, they are complementary angles because 30 plus 60 is 90. Sum of angle sum up to 90, okay, is complementary angle. It can be 45, 45, both are complementary. It can be 20, 70. You can write anything. It can be 1 degree, 89 degree, whose sum is 90. Complementary angle. Now complement of angle. Next is complement of angle. If I take an example of this 30 and 60, we can say complement of 30 is 60 and complement of 60 is 30. They are complement of each other. Complement of 30 is 60 and complement of 60 is 30. How to find the complement? Complement of any angle. Suppose we are going to find the complement of x. To find the complement of x, you have to do 90 minus x. Suppose we are going to find the complement of 30 degree. I said complement of 30 is 60, so we'll do 30 or 90 minus 30, that is 60. So complement of 30 is 60. If you find the complement of 60, you'll get 30. Clear? Next comes supplementary angle. Supplementary angle, if pair of angles sum up to 180 degree. For example, 100 degree and 80 degree. Total is 180. So pair of supplementary angle. It can be 90 degree, 90 degree. Total is 180. It can be 2 degree, 178 degree. Total is 180. So these are all supplementary angle. Now complementary angle, let me give one example. 30 and 150. We can say supplement of 30 is 150 and supplement of 150 is 30. And to find the supplement of angle, supplement of any angle, suppose I say x, we have to do 180 minus that particular angle. Clear? 180 minus x. Suppose we're going to find supplement of 30 degree, or just say 150 degree we're going to find. That means you have to do 180 minus 150. It will be 30 degree. So supplement of 150 is 30 degree. Clear? Let's go to linear pair. Linear pair means pair of angle, pair of adjacent angle in a straight line. Linear means straight only. Suppose there is a pair of adjacent angle x and y in a straight line. If I add the adjacent angle, it will be always 180 degree, and that is called a linear pair. Pair of adjacent angle in a straight line is 180, and we call it linear pair. Clear? In a straight line means straight angle. It must be adjacent angle. Clear? Sum of the angle in a straight line. Now this is linear pair, but sum of the angle in a straight line means it can be more than two line. Linear pair means only two angle, but sum of adjacent angle in a sum of angles in a straight line can be more than two also. It can be like this. Suppose this is x, this is y, this is z. If I add x plus y plus z, it will be 180. We don't use the term linear pair in this case. We say just straight angle only. So sum of the angles in a straight line is also 180 degree. If you have more angle, suppose I draw one more figure. You have A, B, C, D, four angle. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D also 180. So sum of the angle in a straight line is always 180 degree. Let's go to vertically opposite angle. You'll be doing theorem on this also. Suppose two lines intersect. We get four angle. See, one angle, two angle, three angle, four angle. These opposite angles are always equal. These opposite angles are called vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite, and they are always equal. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle, and they will be always equal. Clear? Please write all the information whatever is given before we start the exercise. I'll be doing some extra questions also based on this, which is not available in your textbook. Thank you. Please pause the video and write everything.